What's up, guys? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Mix DJ Black Ranger 21. How y'all doing today? So, yep. Merry Christmas, guys. And guess what? It's Christmas Day. And I got this gift. I got this gift from Snowman. From my dad. My dad brought me this gift. And I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing on Christmas Day. Unboxing and show you what this is. So let's go. Let's go. Catch you. I'm gonna be in my room. I'll catch you. Okay. Let's open this baby. Bust this baby open. Yeah. Bam! I got the new Space Jam movie. Space Jam, a new legacy. New Space Jam movie. Finally got it. I finally got it in my hands. So new space. The new space. I got the new Space Jam movie. Blu-ray, digital, and Blu-ray, DVD, and digital code. But then forget about the code. Anyway, guys, I've been wanting to see this movie, but I didn't get to see it. Space Jam, a new legacy. So here's the front, side, spine, back. It's got LeBron James. It's got some special features, including 4 fun features. First quarter, I don't feel like reading all this. Plus some deleted scenes too. Finally got this on Blu-ray. So, and slide this out and box this. Here it is. Space Jam movie. Space Jam. Okay. Same thing. Here it is. Forget the got this redeemed. Got this code. I don't need no redemption code. I don't need no code over my dead body. Anyway, here's the disc. Got Space Jam, the DVD, the regular DVD version, the Space Jam, and the Blu-ray version of the Space Jam. Both on 2 DVDs, one on Blu-ray and one on DVD. Looks 3D. Okay. Thank God, I'm gonna put this back in the slip cover. Anyway, guys, that's all for this. All for this new Space Jam movie. Anyway, guys, hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll see you guys next. Guys, when I see you guys. So that's all for it. So peace. Always remember, stay safe. Always wear a mask. See ya.